Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can do task management using Mana.com. So in Mana.com, go to your workspace, press this blue button, go to choose from templates. Here you have to search for task and you get this option that says done weekly task. Click on it, click use template. Alright guys, once the template is set up, as you can see, it has created this board in our Mana.com that says done weekly tasks, and it has basically two sections. One is asset cards and the second is main table, and then we also got a timeline view, a Kanban, and a team workload. So in asset cards we can have all of our tasks in form of different cards, and we can add their status if we're working on them, if they're waiting for review, if they're approved. So here we can add all of our tasks in form of cards. If you go to main table, which is the most important one, here you can add your tasks for this week, you can add your tasks for next week, you can add your tasks that are done, you can add new groups to add your tasks that you plan to do next month, or maybe in the next couple of months you can add a new group to do that. But let's see what we get here. So here we can add the name of our task, we can add its priority, we can add its status, its date, its description, and we can also add asset files if required. We can also add its ID if we want. Then we get a Kanban, and we also get a timeline view in which we can view the timeline of different tasks, and we also get team workload. In Kanban, you can see we get all of our tasks organized, like we get our stuck tasks here, working tasks here, waiting for review this section, approved ones under this one, and done tasks under this section. And let me show you the timeline view as well. So the timeline basically shows the time during which the project needs to be completed. It is basically the date, the starting date and the end date of the project combined. So this way you can do task management using this simple template in Mana.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.